What's up, guys? This is Pastor Kanang again, coming up to you with another video. So we're going to be building a button just to help you expand your knowledge in CSS and your HTML. So, and what's going on with this button right here? As you can tell, when you hover over the button, it will expand left and right, and the color of the text is blue, and also there is an icon right there is of a car icon. It also has like a blurry shadow right there around the button, and also this button is centered. So we're going to be doing this. So this is just a demonstration how the button is going to look like at the end of the video. All right. If you like this video, if this video helped you out, please give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. So we have 63 subscribers at the moment, and we got to increase that subscriber base. I want to keep doing more videos, and we'll keep doing it. My goal is to make it every single day, at least like a 2 videos a day. That's what I said a long time ago. Hopefully it happens again, but we'll just keep on going. All right, okay, let's do it. So I already have my HTML ready right here, my text editor right here. So let's get it started. So as you can tell right here, I already have my font awesome link right here, so we can get the icon card. Right, we're going to be using our style inside the HTML. All right, let's start it. So we're going to be doing a div right here. When we give it a name, it's going to be the name button, and then right here we're going to be using the a tag for the link, and inside here we're going to be using the button icon. Let's see. Okay, we want to use a class right there. Uh, Quotation marks. We're going to call it Fafa car, and then how do you want to call the button? Should we call explore, like it says in there, explore? Okay, and then let's save it, and let's see what we got. So that's what we got so far right here. Right here. Okay, that's going to become to be our button right there. Okay. All right, so let's work on the style. So first, we're going to use the asterisk. We're going to give you a margin 0. We're going to be using a padding 0. Oh man, that was a O. Oh, that's a O too in both of them. Sorry. 0 0. I got distracted. My wife came in to say something to me. Okay. Now, then we gotta go to the body. So what we have in the body right here, we're going to give position, because we're going to center this wonderful button. We're going to use relative semicolon. Then we're going to be giving a width, which is going to be 100%. Then we're going to be doing a height. We're going to be using view height, which is going to be 100 dh. Right. Then we're going to be having a background color. Background color, what color is going to be? We're going to be giving the whole background is going to be black. So we're going to be 0 0 0 and semicolon at the end. And then we have the font family. We're going to be using a sans serif. This is most popular right here. So let's save that and let's see what we got. You know what? Actually, what we have to do is this. Okay, that's what we got so far. Let me just fix this right there, and I just put my text editor. Oh man. Oh no, what did I do? Let's just put it back. Let's see, we can, okay, right there, so we can see what we're doing, huh? All right. Cool beans. All right, so we got it. We got it right there. Also already fixed in position, and let's keep on working. So right now we're going to use the class button. You know, they're right there. Let's give it some style to the button. Let's do that button. So right here we're going to use a background color. So we're going to be using what is it? D64161. Let's see what it's going to give us. Okay, not too bad. That's what we wanted. So now let's go to the next one. We got a width. Let's give a width to the button. So we're going to get a width of 500 pixels. We're going to be doing a height, so which is going to be 100 pixels. Then we're going to do a font size. So the text, how long do we want for the font size? We're going to do a 40 pixels. Let's see what we got. Not too bad. It's getting there. Okay. Now what we get, let's get a border radius. Yeah, radius. So we're going to do 20. So if you do the 20 pixel one time, it's going to adjust all the 4 different sizes that the button has. Okay, cool. That's what we wanted. Now let's center the text align. Let's just do center. What we got? Let's see. Cool beans. So now it's right there right now, but we wanted this to be in the middle over here. So, and what I found out, kind of cool trick, we're going to use a line height. If I can spell height, it's going to be 100 pixels, and that should get me there. Cool. It's right there on the middle, as you can tell. Now let's go to the next one. What is do we got? Now we gotta move the whole button into the middle of the page. How do we do that? We're going to be using a position absolute. Okay, and then we're going to be using we're going to be giving a value to the top, which is going to be 50%. We want 50% from the top, and then we want from the left, we want same thing, 50%. So in that way it will be right in the middle. It will be in the middle, but in order to be right in the middle, let's see what we got so far. Right there, you know. If I expand this, it's not actually in the middle, right? So what I have to do, I have to use a transform. So we can fix this. Transform. We're going to be using translate. Focus on this one. Yeah, I got fat fingers. Just keep typing different things. Comma minus 50%, and that should get us right in there. What do you think? Cool beans, right there where we want it. Now, what else do we have? What else can we use? So we talk about we want. So the button is going to be, let's see, color. Now we already have that. Let's see the text shadow. So we want for the text, the button text, we're going to give a shadow. We're going to give a 0 to the left. We're going to be, to the top is going to be 3 pixels. And then color is going to be white. Yeah, that's what you wanted. That's cool. Not too bad. It's getting there. It's getting there. Now we want to use a transition right here. Transition. We're going to be using transition property. We're going to use all. So it can apply to everything that we change or add. Transition duration. So usually going to be just 1 second for this. Okay. So this will do nothing at the moment until we add the hover. So we do a button hover. See if I can spell it right. So right here, that's where it's going to be applied when we hover, when we apply the mouse in here. When we hover over, it will apply all of this hover that we're going to be adding right here. Box shadow. So what will we want right here? We want the shadow is going to be 0 left, 0 top. The blur is going to be 30 pixels. And then we want a red color. Let's do that. Let's see. Here we go. Here we go. Here you go, Amy. It's the blurry story, right? It's right there. Look. Nice. Nice. So we want this to expand left and right. So we're going to give a width. It's going to be 600 pixels. And that should do it. Nice. Cool beans. Yeah. I think that's pretty much it. Let's see. Should we change the text shadow? That's for the box shadow. We're going to text shadow. Should be the 0 left, 0 top. Let's do 3 pixels. And then should we just do maybe black? A dark? I mean, we can just choose a lot of colors. Should we do it green? Man, you can just change whatever. You know? Huh. You know, let's just not get. Let's just not do it. Let's leave it as it is, as we intended to be. Yeah, but you can change the text shadow anytime. You know, change different colors and stuff. But anyway, so this is the video, guys. So just if you really like the video, if that's helped you a little bit in your journey to becoming a web developer, you know, doing the simple things, that's when actually you can build more your efficiency. You can build more your knowledge. You can build more your ability to code. You know, please like and subscribe to the channel. So we at the moment we have, like I said at the beginning, 63 subscribers. We gotta increase the fan base. All right, thanks and have a good night, and I will see you hopefully in the next video. Bye.